it's Heather. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So this is literally the 5th time filming this intro because I just can't talk right and my friend is in the background laughing at me this whole time. But today I'm sharing with you guys my 2018 room tour, and it's about time I filmed this. I did one at the very beginning of the year and you guys really liked it, and my room looks completely different from then, so I thought it would be fun to do another one. And I get suggestions all the time and requests for me to do a room tour, so I'm finally bringing it to you guys. And my room looks a lot different than it did at the beginning of the year, and I thought it was about time to share with you guys my room. And definitely this is one of my favorite rooms I've ever had. It is exactly how I would want it and pictured it. Make sure to check out my blog post on this as well, and if you have any questions on where anything's from, I will try to link it down below, and comment down below if you want to know where anything's from, and I'll try to give you a link to it, or at least tell you where it's from, so you guys can go try to find it yourself. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop on into this video. Alright, so to start out with my room tour, the first thing you see when you go to the first wall is this really cool mirror that I have, and it's just a set of these 3 mirrors that I got from Target. And I also have this little sunglasses DIY that I made, and a table and chairs, and basically everything on the side of the wall is from Target. The table, the chairs, everything, the mirrors, and seriously love the mirrors so much. They were actually really cheap, so hit up Target if you want really cute mirrors. Then to the right of the mirror wall, I have this little, I guess, dresser you could call it, and it has these cool drawers on it, and even has a bulletin board, or I guess cork board, and I keep a little knickknacks on there and some lights that I got from West Elm. And to the side of that, I have a cool basket that is from Anthropologie, and I have a Target pillow on it, and then a blanket from Anthropologie. So I feel like the main focus of my room, you guys probably could tell, was this huge white rug that I actually got from HomeGoods for a decent price actually. I think it was only about $100, and that's pretty good for how huge this rug is. Across from my bed, I have this little floating shelf that I got from the Container Store, and this little beanbag poof that I got from Target. And most of the knickknacks on the shelf are actually from Target and HomeGoods, if you were curious. Then to the side of that, I have a full-length mirror, and I even have another dresser that I actually keep my clothes in, and a record player, and just some cute shoes that I got from Urban Outfitters. And the circle mirror is also from Target, by the way. And a while back, I actually made this copper hanger DIY, and the copper hanger was actually only like $5, I'm pretty sure, and I just hung it on the wall, and I can display my outfits on there, and I think it looks really cool and Pinteresty. And I just have some cute little outfits and a sun hat on there. And then next to that is my desk, and I wish I would work at my desk more. Usually I just sit on the poof, and my desk is actually from a local store, so I'm not exactly sure where it's from that you guys could find it at, but I have some pillows and just a plant from Target, and really everything is from Target. If you couldn't tell, I am obsessed with Anthropologie, HomeGoods, Pottery Barn, and Target, but my bedding is mostly from Target, besides the shams are actually from Anthropologie, and that big pillow is from Anthropologie that has little tassels and stuff on it. And the tray on my bed is also from HomeGoods, if you were wondering. And then to the side of that, I have my nightstand. On my nightstand, I have this cool sensory touch light, and also a basket underneath it with some cool shoes I have. And then above that, I have this really cool print that I actually got off Etsy. To the right of my nightstand, I have this rug from Pure Imports, and also this little DIY I inspired by Alicia Marie's room that Mr. Kate did, and I thought it was so cool, and I had to do it with this picture that I've been loving for so long, ever since I went to the beach. And I'll be sure to link the blog post and the video tutorial down below if you guys want to check out how I actually made this. And it was actually harder than it looks, but it turned out so cool and was definitely worth it, and I seriously love it so much in my room. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to check out my vlog channel. I vlog today, as well as my blog, so you don't miss out on any of the cool blog posts I have while I'm on my vacation, which by the time you're watching this, I will be on vacation, and I will be posting a day in the life and just a bunch of fun videos, so make sure to stick around and subscribe. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks. Bye! So good. Okay, sorry. It sounds like there's gonna be an earthquake outside.